Welcome to homework.
To find the 95% confidence interval for the population variance, we can use the chi-square distribution. So we know that the sample size is 52 and the sample standard deviation is 4.9 minutes. And we need to find the confidence interval for the population variance. The chi-square distribution depends on the degrees of freedom, which is one less than the sample size in this case. First, let's find the chi-square critical values for the lower and upper bounds of the confidence interval. For the lower bound, we need to find the chi-square value corresponding to an alpha of 0.05 over 2, which is 0.025. And the degrees of freedom of n minus 1, so that would be 51. Use the chi-square distribution table, or if you've got statistical software that you can use, and the chi-square critical value for a 95% confidence interval and 51 degrees of freedom is about 71.420. For the upper bound, we use the chi-square value corresponding to an alpha of 0.975 times 1 minus 0.025. This is chi-square, the lower bound. And so for the upper bound, using the same table or same statistical software or calculator, you get 75.963 for the upper bound. And now we can calculate the confidence interval for the population variance. The lower bound would be n minus 1 times s squared over the chi-squared upper bound. And the upper bound is n minus 1 times s squared over the chi-square lower bound. Okay, so that would be 52 minus 1, or just, we can call it 51, times 4.9 squared over 75.963, and 51 times 4.9 squared over 71.420. Onto a calculator. We get 16.12. I'll go to just 2 decimal places. And the upper bound $17.15.